Now we usually make compost bokashi with so many people, but these two are just making 2 of them. My God, sorry for leaving you alone. Because see, these people are just, wow, it's a big one.
Wow.
Only the 2 of you. God for you, mwana wanga. Wadia kuna chakudya?
Karibu.
Before these people, oh my God. But mwapunzira manja.
Yeah,
so this is Godfrey managing this place now.
Okay. We bunch are Godfrey.
You can ask him questions.
Okay. So mupanga bwanji bokashi.
Bokashi mwitupangira using vintu vosiyana siyana like one mauzu dry glass.
Yes.
Then there is dry leaves, yeah, and manure. You can use manure like the cow or chicken, any manure. Then black soil, yeah, and there is sawdust. And we have used what's this maize branch, yeah, and you can even you need to buy what's this molasses,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So molasses and yeast, yeah. So when you do that, you mix them. Then after mix them, you start like twisting them, yeah.
So yeast, you mix it with mixing a bunch. Since magula yambili or no?
Like for this one, it was just 1,000 grams.
1,000 grams?
Yeah.
For John's age?
Yeah.
Okay. So niku tie poche or you mix it with the...
You just put yeast, like what we did, we put it in a drum, then molasses separate.
Okay.
Then you'll be, when you get like this one, you get a little yeast, then you mix it with molasses, then you start mixing. Then while someone is pouring water, then someone is mixing.
Okay, okay. So then it mixes properly with everything.
Yes.
One
is at least 3, so they have really labored to make this. I did that with the students there. I slept very good.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm told that in replacement of molasses you can use sugar. Just make like.
You can actually use organically. You can use sugarcane. Just squeeze the juice, but you make at least let me say 20 liters of it. We can also use any fruit like bananas, crush them, but it should be 6 kg of bananas. Crush them and make a paste. So sugar is just to work as an enzyme to break this very fast. Because if we leave it like that, one will take 1 year, 6 months to decompose. This will be taking 15 days.
15 days?
Yes.
All this will be gone in 15 days? Really?
It will be just soil.
Wow.
So do we need to cover it?
No.
Just
because
like
it will generate heat. You need to be now to be also shifting, to be aerating, putting air in it.
Often do we need?
So this is the preparation. And what time is it now? When they say they'll finish 16 hours. Tomorrow is 16 hours. We will come and touch it. If it's hot, we will turn. So we'll start then the turning. So it will be turned in the morning and in the afternoon for 3 days, twice in a day. After that, it's once a day. So this is the past 16, we'll start counting tomorrow, 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So up to the 30th or 50th, yes. Then so November it will be done. So you'll be turning it once a week, once a day.
So this one is different from compost. It doesn't want heat.
Compost, this one it doesn't want heat. Otherwise, the microbes will die.
Okay.
You can cook with it.
Oh.
Yes.
The heat is that much.
Yes.
Oh.
When we come to our place, we are using compost as the geyser to heat the water.
Okay.
So when it is heating, the pipe is passed through it. The water is hot when you are showering.
It manages to...
So, if it needs air, madam, why can't it be scattered like?
No, we want it this grass to receive the heat in order to soften.
So heat is still needed?
Yes.
But just not too much.
That's not too much.
Okay. Wow. 15 days?
Yes, 15 days it will be just like also you're gone. The microbes will be busy now working here.